Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Do you want to grow tomatoes, cabbages, carrots, beetroots, spinach, eggplants, broccoli, chilies, coriander, mint leaves, cauliflower, and even bitter gourd in your own organic garden? Kitchen garden dedicated to homegrown fruits, herbs, and vegetables are seeing a resurgence in urban areas around the world as COVID-19 forced people to spend more time with their homes. But to grow your own organic chemical-free garden, you need to first look at the soil. So today let me tell you about how my mom prepares the soil. To make your own perfect soil, you need 20% vermicompost and then 20% kitchen waste compost. And for the rest of the soil, you need some garden soil. Then make sure to mix your soil thoroughly. Then simply you have to make a bed in your container or the space you are going to plant your plants. After you have prepared your soil, the second most important step is to prepare your seed. Before sowing the seeds in your planter, you must put the seeds in water for 8 to 10 hours. It helps the seeds to germinate easily and quicker. Do you know where my mom got the concept of making a kitchen garden? To make my mom's food free of chemical and preservatives, my mom made this kitchen garden. My mom grows tomatoes, spinach, turnip, brinjal, radish, carrot, flat beans, coriander, bitter gourd, asgard, pumpkin, chili, bell pepper, capsicum. And to grow all of this, my mom uses only one kind of soil. My mom gets these seeds from previous year gardening. Otherwise, you can also get seeds from ripe vegetables which we can easily get in the market or from the nursery. After sowing any seeds, make sure to cover it with some 1 to 2 inches of soil. And give the water by deep irrigation. After about 1 to 2 weeks, you can notice that you can get a lot of plants from the seeds that you have sowed. In the winter season, the germination takes some time. After 1 to 2 weeks, look at a plant. It has grown so much. Any kind of plants needs a lot of sunlight. So make sure your plant gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. The most important step about growing a plant is its only soil. After your plant have grown a little, then you can start giving it some fertilizer. If you want to know about what fertilizers to give in winter, we have already made a video about that. My mom only prefers two kinds of homemade fertilizer. So if you are interested, then you may also watch that video. Now the last but not the least is how to control pest attack. The only solution that my mom thinks that your plant will get rid of pest attacks is the bioenzyme. The link of the video about how to make bioenzyme is already in the description. So if you are interested, then you can watch that video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.